Hello everyone, I'm Montilla here, and in this video we're going to go over the installation of Python, okay? So again, going back to the virtual machine here, I'm going to minimize Visual Studio Code. I'm going to go into this tab and say install Python. There's many ways of doing it. We're gonna go through this way. And that's it. So download Python. Executable. Double click. I want to add it to the Python, to the path. I'll click install. You just have to wait a little bit when it happens. Hopefully these videos are short. I want to kind of cut straight to the core items. I don't want to fluff it up or anything like that. I want these videos to be as lean as possible. Whenever I go through courses and things like that, the last thing I want to do is to wait 30 minutes, an hour to kind of get the meat of what I'm trying to learn. So that's why I want to do it this way. I'm going to close this out. And let's see. I'm going to open up Visual Studio Code again. Actually, that's, hold on, VS Code, Visual. It's this one here. You can actually either do this, terminal, new terminal. I'm gonna move my bubble head here, and then Python. Let's see what is that? Not that. Sorry, Python. Version. Python 3, perhaps. Not found. Python was not found. Run without arguments. Python 3, nope. Let's see, CMD. That's it. So just had to run it in the command prompt. So go to start here, you do search CMD, you open up this command prompt, and then you type Python. Not sure why it's not getting here. Yes, manage application, disable the shortcut. Anyways, so this is fine. Wanted to do it through VS Code. No big deal. We have it under the command prompt, so we know that it was installed. It's Python 3.13.1 version. And that should do it for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.